Welcome to Module 2 of Fluid Mechanics. In Module 2, we will discuss about mainly kinematics of fluid flow. So we will discuss about what is kinematics and then Eulerian and Lagrangian approaches and the classification of different fluids flows like one-dimensional, two-dimensional and three-dimensional flow. Then some other classifications like steady, unsteady, uniform, non-uniform, laminar, turbulent, rotational, irrotational flows. And then we will derive the continuity equation, basically is the conservation of mass equation. Then we will find out the methods to find the velocity and acceleration in fluid. We will also discuss about streamlines, path lines, streak lines and stream tubes. Then we will discuss about circulation and vorticity, then stream function and potential function. And also finally we will go to Laplace equation, equipotential lines, flow nets, uses and limitations. So this is the part 2 of fluid mechanics. So we will learn all about these concepts in this module.